26 opposition parties are set to attend a two-day brainstorming session in Bengaluru from July 17 to discuss strategies for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections and to take on the BJP. The second meeting of opposition parties is set to take place in Bengaluru after the first gathering in Patna last month to establish a political front. Meanwhile, the BJP is having its own meeting with NDA partners at a five-star hotel in New Delhi on July 18th. Congress believes that this meeting will be a game changer in Indian politics and will discuss a common agenda to defeat the BJP in the next general elections. Karnataka Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar welcomed political leaders including Chief Minister of West Bengal Mamata Banerjee, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress Parliamentary Party Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin at HAL Airport in Bengaluru for the United Opposition meeting.
Sir, सामान लो पहले वेट सर 1 सेकंड सर